Welcome to this tutorial on copying Desire to Learn materials from one course to another. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the course that we want to copy the materials into. So if, for example, I want to copy a syllabus from this Kevin Sandbox course, for example, into my training course here, what I can do is go inside of my training course. And once inside of there, I can scroll over here on the upper right-hand side of the screen, and there's going to be an Edit Course button. So if I press the Edit Course button, it brings me in here under my Course Admin area. And so what you're going to look for is you're going to look for a button that's titled Import, Export, Copy Components. So once we find that Import, Export, Copy Components button, we can go in under the Import, Export, Copy Components area, and it says, what would you like to do? And we want to copy components from another org unit that's already selected for us. Include protected resources, again, that's already selected, so we don't have to do anything. All we have to do is press this search for offering. So if we go in the search for offering area and press the button, it'll bring up a list of courses here that are currently under our list. And so I'm just going to go and I'm going to search for this Kevin's Sandbox course here, K-Corme Sandbox. I'm going to add that selected here, and so it adds it here to this courses to copy. So at the bottom here I have a couple of options. I can copy all components, and what this will do is it'll copy the entire structure of the course. It won't copy any of the student work from the course that I'm copying from. However, it will copy, all the quizzes that you created, Dropbox assignments. If you created any discussion forums, it would copy those, and all of the content. Or if you only wanted to copy, for example, a syllabus or a couple of files, you can actually go under this Select Components area, and we'll do that. And if we go under the Select Components area, it will bring up a list of the items that are presently in this course. So if, for example, I wanted to copy a syllabus, what I would need to do is I would go and you can select all components right here, again, if you wanted to copy the entire course. But because I just want to copy the syllabus, I'm going to select this little option, which is going to copy the content. And what I want to do is select this option that says select the individual items to copy. And then under here, I also have to select course files, and I select the individual items to copy. So the reason why you have to select both course files and content, and this is very important, is that the content is the actual item in your content area. So it's essentially the folder and the name of the file. So if I'm going to copy, for example, my syllabus, it's going to copy that folder that I created for the syllabus as well as the name of the file. So the actual file for the syllabus is stored under this course files area. And I'll show you exactly what I mean in just a second here. So I'm going to check off this course files and select the individual items to copy. And then if I scroll down to the bottom of the screen, I can press the continue window here. So you can see right in here, it's gonna copy my syllabus in, for example. So if I scroll in, I can see I'm gonna copy this syllabus folder under the content area plus a link to the syllabus, and then I just select those items and press continue. And then here it brings up a list of a couple of items here that I can copy. Now this is the actual .doc or Word doc file. So I want to select this one, and I press continue. And then it just says confirm that these are the items you want to copy. And we press the finish button. And then boom, it'll copy the links from the content area for the syllabus folder and file. And then it'll copy the actual file, which is under this course files area. And now we can either copy another package if we wanted to, or we can just say view content because we just want to go see the file that we copied in. And so we click view content, and down at the bottom here I've got this little syllabus link here, and we can view our syllabus here by clicking on it. Now if, for example, we want to move this syllabus up to the top of the page here for the students to see, we want it to be just above week 1, I can just select this little icon right here. When we see this little, it's almost like a little compass, north, south, east, west kind of looking icon, and we're going to just grab it and we're going to drag it up here, and I'm going to look for that gray line, and I'm just going to let go of my mouse and it automatically will drag and drop it for you. So when the students go in, the first item they see is a syllabus folder, and they have access to the core syllabus here. So this concludes the tutorial on copying an item from one course to another within Desire to Learn.